Want to remove the Wish app from your iPhone? Let's learn how to uninstall it quickly and easily. Hi, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to uninstall the Wish app on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, locate the Wish app on your home screen. Tap the Wish app and hold onto it until a menu appears. In the menu that appears, select the Remove App option. Choose the Delete App option to confirm that you want to uninstall the Wish app. Finally, tap on the Delete option and now the Wish app will be uninstalled from your device. And this is how you can uninstall Wish app on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.